Hello everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back to show you another kit, and this is Shabby Chic. I call it tea room journal. So yeah, you can see the color is very soft, and yeah, lovely color. And see, I included all this is I am roses flower, and if you know that all this is very beautiful color, and you can see the color is so lovely. And I purchased this from I am roses, and I used it but in the US currency, so this is quite expensive for me. Anyway, I will include this into this kit because it's quite matched with this theme. So now I show you the fabric, I mean the journal first, and I use all these digital images from Etsy shop, and I will pop the link below the description box, so if you want to purchase, you can go and check it out. So this is the Shabby Chic doll, and I use the acrylic for the flip, and you can see I use this one of my favorite corset, crisscross trim. I use this to bind the book. Okay, so let me to show you, and this is the, let me to take up thing first. So it's I printed on cardstock, and you see, and it's a paper bag. It is this white cotton bag journal. Okay, so there we have a pocket to insert the tag. Okay, like so. Okay, and I actually cut the size so you can glue it, and actually you can cut the doll if you want. Just up to you how you decorate this book. Okay, so like this page here, so another page flip up, and into this beautiful digital image also from Etsy. I will also put the link below this into the description box. Another acrylic flip, another doll here. You glue it on, see how you decorate. Okay, another page here, beautiful paper. Okay, another acrylic page here, another doll frame. I call this is a tea room, tea house or tea room book. Okay, paper, another doll in the blue color. Okay, another acrylic, another doll here, and the last page is this. Okay, so you can see buying this beautiful. So this is the book, and for the book you have so many things to play with. Print out this all into the cardstock, into the you can use this as a tag. You can see the words love, memories, inspire, happiness, and journal. Okay, you have many here, and both sides also printed. Okay, and later I'll show you. Okay, and also, let me put down and show, and also some of the mason jar tag. And flower, you can cut it out and print as this secret recipe of famous tea rooms. It's always tea time. A cup of tea, a brownie. Okay. Just need to show you all the tag cut first, okay? And this one, you can cut it out and make a pocket. Another button here. Another one, you can make the pocket here to insert the tag. And this you can cut it out, and you have to, this one is the high tea tag, okay? And yeah, for this you can cut it out, and I have included the pin so you can hang this. So printed both sides, and I also print onto the small tiny white clothing bag both sides. And this one I already show you the sample. Yeah, cut it out with a emerald pocket so you can hang the tag here, okay? And this another image you can also cut out. I think this one I include two already. Yeah, let me check. Yeah, this, yeah, you got two, so I take out one. Yeah, I have to check another, maybe one kit is left. Yeah, I miss out this. Okay, because this is the tea room, so I include this digital image in the tea. You can see you can fussy cut out like so. This is a sample that I just show you, so others kit, yeah, you have to fussy cut out by your own. Beautiful. And I will put the link below the description box that where I purchased this. Okay, and beautiful. I will use this image to make some more table in fabric theme. This is, yeah, in future. Very beautiful tag, and some is the image is different. Okay, different pattern. Okay, not the same, but total is 5. Okay, so, and for the, because this is the pocketbook, so I make the tag for you to put into the pocket. This just now I'll show you the tag, so you can fussy cut out, and like this you can glue like so, and you also can put this way. What I did is I just cut it up. Sorry, yeah, out of battery. So I'll come back and show you. Yeah, all this is a tag cut. You can put inside the pocket. You can fold in this way or this way, like so. Just up to you. So you got a different one. This. And yeah, for the tag, just how, yeah, I'll show you already. You can make the this in this way and this way, or just glue it. Okay, so just follow your way. And this one is the longer one, both sides. Yeah, you can go like so or like so. Okay, all this is the tag cut, and show you. Yeah, the book is side. Yeah, and the laces. Let me show you the laces. You got this, all these laces here. Didn't show you the flower yet. Hold on a second. Okay, heaven. Yeah, I'll show you the laces. You got all these laces here, so you can play with the kit. And all this you can just cut it out. You can see you got so many here. You can cut individual. And you also got this peachy embroidery trim, and this tiny one. Okay, all this is the pieces, and also include some paper clip and the pin, so you can hang the tag something. Yeah, the tag that I showed just now. For the flower, I got this. All this is I Am Roses flower that I mentioned. Yeah, and yeah, I mentioned before. Yeah, I purchased this all in US currency. Yeah, so which for me is quite expensive. So anyway, I include all this into the kit. So is I love the color. Is try to match with this kit, so some green and white, and another this one. So yeah, all this is the flower. For the card, I'll show you inside for some idea for you how to play with this tea room journal. So you can put it here and use this as I made it choose the okay. Yeah, some of the images is different. I mentioned you can use this like so, and just keep the hold the tag card like so. Okay, and some of the pocket. To show you. You so can put the pocket in this way. Yeah, it's so much fun for you to play with this kit. And so you can you put in the back here. So yeah, so many things for you to play, and yeah, I really hope you all like this kit. And yeah, you can choose also your favorite doll page for the front page. So yeah, to put that inside. Okay, like so. So yeah, I really hope you all like this kit. Yeah, just please feel free to leave me a comment and give me a big thumbs up if you like this kit. You can see beautiful tea room journal. Yeah, I make 4 of this kit here. So yeah, also it's limited quantity. So if you are interested, you can stop by to my Facebook kit group or just leave me a comment here, and I will private message to you for the price and the shipping. And thanks again for everyone, and